I'm going to show you exactly how to create and sell one of the most profitable digital products on Amazon KDP in 2026, even if you have zero writing experience and a very small budget. In this video, we'll focus on storybooks, which are in high demand and perfect for beginners. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Now let's start with the idea generation process. The first thing you need to do is head over to Canva AI and ask it to generate different storybook ideas. Once you have those ideas, copy and paste them into ChatGPT and ask which one is the most sought after. This step is important because we want to maximize your ranking when people search for storybooks in that category on Amazon. Once you've chosen your topic, ask ChatGPT to generate the full story, including 20 pages, the text for each page, and a detailed illustration prompt for every page. This saves you hours of work and gives you a complete structure for your book. After that, head back to your Canva homepage and go to Canva AI. Your first task here is to generate all the illustrations. Copy each image prompt you got from ChatGPT and paste them into Canva AI one page at a time until you've generated all 20 images. Once you're done generating the images, it's time to build your ebook. Click on Create, type A4 in the search bar, and choose the portrait layout. This will be your storybook canvas. Next, go to Uploads and upload all the images you generated, starting from the first page up to the last page. Place one image per page in the correct order. Then head over to Elements on the left panel and add a shape, like a rounded rectangle. Adjust the size so your text is easy to read and place it neatly on the page. After that, add the story text for each page. Once your pages are complete, don't forget to create a front cover that matches your story and looks attractive to buyers. This is very important for clicks and sales. When everything is done, click Share, then Download and choose PDF Standard. This file will be ready for upload to Amazon KDP. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now that you understand the full process, the next step is learning how to upload your storybook to Amazon KDP, optimize your title, description, and keywords, and publish it correctly. So make sure to click the next video and continue with the series, because I'll walk you through everything step by step so you don't make beginner mistakes and you can start publishing with confidence. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.